to download the official Windows 11 and create a bootable drive. So once you boot your computer from the USB drive, you should be pressing F11 or F12 and start the installation. You might get a message saying this PC can't run Windows 11. Close that message. Then press and hold the Shift key and press F10. When the command prompt opens, type regedit and press Enter to open the registry editor. Next, navigate to Local Machine, System, Setup. Right-click the Setup folder, select New Key and name it Lab Config. Select that key, then right-click in the empty space and choose New DWOT 32-bit value. Name it Bypass TPM Check. Double-click it and set its value to 1. Next, create another DWOT value named Bypass Secure Boot Check and set it to 1. You can also add 2 more values to skip the RAM and storage checks. Once you're done, close the registry and finally go ahead and continue with the installation. Now, as you can see, no more system requirements issues.